and now go along into BHS, which are famous for having old Otises, and it's been modernised by 21st century lifts. Bloody hell. And now along to another little hydraulic Schindler lift, which is more of a Keithley lift really.
Doors closing. Level 2. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level 1. Doors opening.
And now go along into WH Smith's, and the Schindler lift there has been modernised.
Doors closing.
Pawn and Done Woody Key lifts. Yeah, they had to change the name to PDRS. Imagine if they kept their name as Pawn and Done Woody.
Doors open. Going down.
And now along into Clark's, where there is a nice 80s Stanner.
Doors closing. Going up. First floor. Doors open. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors open.
Right then, we now go into the shop which used to be JJB Sports. It's now HMV, and this shop used to have a completely original 1960s single-speed express lift. This lift was completely awesome, and they've now gone and modernised it. I'm not happy. This lift was a completely original. It was like this such an awesome old express, and they've just ruined it. But on the plus side, at least we can now see what's up on the top floor. And now we go into the awesome Orders department store. Now this place has not changed in years. It's like a just complete surviving timepiece. It's like walking into this shop. It's like going back in time to the 1960s, back to what department stores used to be like. It literally has not changed in years. It is so awesome. So then, this used to be Orders flagship shop. That's a tongue twister, flagship shop. And then Orders expanded throughout the UK many years ago, and Orders like this big chain of department stores. A few years ago, Orders went bankrupt, and all their shops disappeared throughout the UK, all being turned into either Debenhams or House of Fraser, and the administrators kept on this one shop since it was still profitable. Then a few years later, this shop then went bankrupt for the second time, and everyone thought a John Lewis would come and take over this shop. Since Croydon's a really big place, everyone thought John Lewis would love this place, but they didn't, which is actually a really good thing, as this shop's now been turned into a village for outlet furniture shop thing. Is very run down, but everything in it is kept original.